Gold and silver just got a fresh jolt from President Trump's State of the Union, right as silver tightens into a serious supply squeeze. In this video, we are breaking it into two pieces: what Trump's message means for the dollar and metals, and why silver's underlying fundamentals are far tighter than most people realize. First, the speech. Trump doubled down on broad tariffs and kept pressure on the Fed, signaling more trade friction and ongoing policy uncertainty. Markets don't like that. Tariffs add hidden taxes into the system, pushing up costs over time. And when you mix that with big deficits and political drama, investors start looking for assets that don't rely on promises from Washington. That's where gold and silver come in as the anti-currency trade. A choppier dollar and worries about slower growth, plus stickier inflation, tend to send capital toward hard assets. Gold has already been reflecting that, but the more interesting story may be in silver, because the macro storm is colliding with years of tight fundamentals. Silver is now deep into its sixth straight year of structural deficit, meaning demand has been running ahead of mine supply, and the gap has been covered by drawing down inventories. Most silver also comes as a byproduct of copper, lead, and zinc mining, so producers can't just ramp output because the price jumps. At the same time, industrial demand from solar, EVs, electronics, and AI-driven data centers keeps climbing, pulling more metal into long-term use. Put it together, a White House leaning into tariffs and policy volatility on one side, and a silver market slowly draining its buffer of available metal on the other. That's not a calm, balanced market. That's a pressure cooker. So we will leave you with this. With Washington turning up the heat and silver grinding through a multi-year squeeze, where would you rather park your purchasing power? Paper dollars or physical ounces? If your answer is physical gold, we would encourage you to visit our recommended gold and silver supplier in the United States Money Metals Exchange. One of their precious metals specialists would be glad to share with you how you can easily set up a gold-backed IRA. The link to Money Metals Exchange is in the comments below. Metal Market Minute offers only news and educational information, not investment advice. Always talk with your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share Metal Market Minute with others.